Hey guys, Millennium Rentals and Leasing. I want to make a video quickly on adjusting the cleaver wheel for your CT50. So first off, it's Bluetooth. So the cleaver does have a battery in it. If your battery's dead, you don't have access to it, that's fine. Your cleaver will still work. You just don't have this Bluetooth connectivity. All right, so let's dive into this. So this CT50 is paired. When we go into this, we can see that there's 16 different positions, and then there's also 3 different heights, low, medium, high. So with your cleaver, you want to start and stay on the low blade height, which is right here on that knob. We want to start in position number 1. Once you start getting inconsistent cleaves, or the machine recommends it's time to change your wheel position, then you move to number 2, then number 3, number 4, work all the way to 16. Once you get to 16, it's time to then raise your blade height up to the medium spot, and you start back at position number 1 on the cleaver wheel. Work all the way over to 16. Once you get to that point, again, raise your cleaver wheel height to high, and then exhaust all 16 positions. Once you get there, you should be approximately 60,000 splices into this cleaver's life, and it's time to replace that blade. Now, to rotate the cleaver wheel, I can touch the screen here and tell it what position to go to and hit yes. And that just rotated the blade for me. Otherwise, you can also rotate the wheel by hitting this button right here. There we go. Give us a call with any questions.